Hello friends, I am Parvez and this is our fifth video in Qt5 C GUI application development. In this video I am going to show you how you can create layouts in Qt5 C++. Basically there are a lot of different kinds of layouts we have in Qt5. We have form layouts, we have grid layouts, we have horizontal layouts and vertical layouts. So I'm going to create a new project in Qt5. I'm choosing Qt widget application, choose, and I'm going to call it layouts. Click on next, and this time I'm going to select Q dialog. Click on next and finish. Okay, now let me run this, and I will have a window, a nice window. For the first time it will take a little bit. Now it's building my project, and now okay, let me show you. Open your dialog.ui, and in here you can see in the you can see now we have our window in here. Okay, now in the layout section you can see that we have vertical layout, we have horizontal layout, we have grid layout, we have form layout. Let me show you example. Okay, I'm going to add some buttons in here. Let me add 3 buttons in here like this, and also 3 buttons in this section. Okay, also in here we have layouts. You can see we have vertical layout and we have horizontal layout. Let me choose this 3 button, and I want to set horizontal layout, and also I'm going to choose these 3 buttons like this. Also I'm going to set horizontal layout for these 3 buttons. Okay, and let me make it small. Okay, and now if I run this, sorry, save all. Okay, now I'm going to run this, and now I will wait for this. Okay, now you can see we have these buttons in a layout, and also it is not working because after creating layout for your these buttons, you should create the layout for your window. Now select this, and I'm going to choose not horizontal layout, a vertical layout. Okay, now you can make it like this, smaller. Now if I run this, save all, you will see a nice window with 6 buttons and horizontal layouts. Yeah, now we have 6 buttons, and now if I make it smaller, you can see now it is working like this. Also you can add, let me control Z these, let me remove these. Okay, also you can add, for example, if you want to add horizontal layout for your widgets. For example, I have like this, also 3 buttons, add 3 buttons in here, push buttons. Okay, now I'm going to choose these, and I'm going to add a vertical layout. Also I'm going to choose these and a vertical layout. Okay, now let me bring this. in here. Now also select this and make it like this. Okay, now you can, if I run this, you will see that now I have vertical layouts for my push buttons. Yeah, you can see now I have a vertical layout. Okay, now let me show you an example. Let me remove these buttons and let me make it bigger. Also, you can add a grid layout. You can add from here grid layout, but also let me check this, that in here also I have grid layout. I think vertical layout and form layout, and this is grid layout. Okay, grid layout and grid layout, we can divide our widgets in a row and columns, so you can use that. Now I'm going to add some labels in here. Label, label, and also label. Now I'm going to add 3 line edits. Line edit, line edit, line edit. Okay, now let me choose these two and give it not a vertical layout, a horizontal layout. Also for these two, let me choose these two. I need a horizontal layout, also horizontal layout for these two. Okay, now after this I'm going to add also another text label, not a label, and also I need a text editing here. Okay, now let me change these to subject to and from. Okay, now just change this to message. Okay, now also I'm going to choose these two and give it a vertical layout. Also I need 2 buttons. I just designed my application like this, 1 button and 2nd button. Okay, now let me choose. Also you can add for example, I want the button should be in here. Also you can add spacer. I'm going to add a horizontal slider, not spacer. Let me find progress bar. Okay, okay, right now let me just give these layout vertical. Okay, now you can select your this and you can give it layout vertically. Now if I run this, and now you can see now I have a nice and flexible window for my application. Now you can see I have like this, and now let me change this to clues and change this to sent, and you can, from here you can edit signals, and for the clues I'm going to click I want to show signal in slot and clues. Okay, now let me run this, save all. Now it's running and it's going to build. Okay, Now we have this, and you can make it like this, and if I click on close, now it's closed. Thank you guys. This was layouts in Qt5. If you have any question, please let me know. For the further videos, please subscribe to my channel.